Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So I actually just took the 389 full journey and just got to the city just now. But now I'm just gonna go back on the Joondalup line, and I know that's ridiculous, but it's 11 a.m. on a Sunday and there's an express train on the Joondalup line. Now I know there was an express train last time, but that was at night and you could barely see anything. Now we have an express train running to Clarkson, which is already weird on a Sunday, but it's going express to Whitfords. Look at this. And I don't know why. There's no like service delays or anything. It's not even that late. It's like 4 minutes late. But like, what the hell? Look at that. What? So yeah, we're gonna be riding that right now, all the way back where I came from. Express. Here it comes now. Just like a month ago I was filming it at night. Now I can film it during the day, also terminating at Clarkson. In it comes. I don't know what happened, but oh, what, it has a butler testo? 64 on the front. I don't know what happened to the train and why is it terminating at Clarkson. It must have to go back to the depot. There must be something wrong with it. Oh yes, it's something very wrong. Look, the whole back set lights are all broken. Look at this. I knew there'd be something. Oh my god, it's completely dark in there. Holy moly. Look at this. What the? It smells bad. It's set 49. It's the oldest train. Having major issues. What the? What the? Oh my god. Oh, what happened to this train? Look at all these lights. It's set 49, see? The oldest train is gonna having some issues. Even can't speak on the speakers. Electrical issues. Can't even hear him. You can't even hear what he's saying. Okay, this is absolutely insane. Look at this train. We're gonna go into the tunnel now. It's gonna be completely, well, not completely dark. Some of the lights work, some of them work, but like almost the whole train is dead. It smells like smoke. There's like a fire. Set 49, having some major issues. Not next station, Leaderville. We're going express. Oh, it's so squeaky. This feels like a haunted movie. Here we go. In the broken set. Yeah, I knew 49 was gonna have some issues at some point soon. It's like 18, how old? Yeah, 19 years old, 2004. So now it's not that special anymore because we're out in the daytime, but still, that was crazy. Okay, I'm not gonna film the whole journey again, but I'll film going express through the stations. Here we go, that's Leaderville station. Sorry, I filmed too late because I'm telling people on Discord what's happening. This is crazy. I'm gonna take it all the way up to Clarkson. It's so noisy here as well. Next one will be Joondalup Express through. I still don't know what happened, but the brakes are really smoky. Absolutely insane. We're actually going pretty slow, not like last time there's express trains. Probably because it is faulty, but anyway, here's Joondalup now. Here's Joondalup. Zooming through. The Butler train's like 4 minutes behind us anyway, so. Okay, Stirling now. Here we are. Through. Next will be Warwick. We're literally going so slow. It's like 80 or something. Like this is not the top speed. And then I can't believe we're stopping at other stations along the line. Here's Warwick. After Whitfords, you know, we're stopping. Oh, another train at 109 and 82 over there.
Training at Whitfords. This train will be going out of service at Whitfords. We apologise for the inconvenience. Thank you.
What? They just changed it. Not even terminated Clarkson anymore. They just changed it to terminated Whitfords because it's completely dead. It was gonna keep running to Clarkson, all stops, which would have been so weird. Now we're just terminating at Whitfords. What the hell is this? First they let it into passenger service as an express train, saying it's gonna go to Clarkson, and now they're just like, oh nah, we're terminating it at Whitfords instead.
This train will be running express from Whitfords to Clarkson, and we'll be training at Clarkson.
Oh no.
Passengers wishing to go to Clarkson are welcome to stay on board.
Greenwood. Oh my god, we're going to Clarkson Express now. Clarkson Express.
Running express from Whitfords to Clarkson. Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna film the rest of this in full now, since now we didn't do this section express last time. I know it was night last time, but I was communicating with people on what's going on in case anyone else is nearby and wants to see. So we're gonna film, and I didn't want to make like a 40-minute video, so we're gonna film the rest of the way express to Clarkson now. And I don't know why I changed the plans like 3 times, but anyway, here we are at Whitfords. And the doors are gonna open here. We will be stopping here. People are gonna be getting off because the train is now gonna run express to Clarkson. But I'm staying on board, obviously. Can't believe I'm just back at Whitfords. Pointless journey that I had with the 389. I spent like 48 minutes on it just to go back, but whatever. Sometimes things like this happen. It is super rare, you know? Okay, we are at Whitfords now. Clarkson. No, express to Clarkson.
We're just waiting for the next train.
Your attention, please. Passengers to Edgewater, Joondalup, and Mandurah. We're trying to take you there in approximately 5 minutes.
Okay, here we go. We're now leaving Whitfords. Express to Clarkson. This is going to be the first time I am ever running express through Joondalup, Edgewater, any of those things. So let's go. I've never run express not that I can remember, through Joondalup or Edgewater or anything like here on this section. So this is going to be a first for me. Here we go now. Next stop, Edgewater. Well, not stop, next stop that we're running express through. It's a real mystery what happened with this train. It got a lot emptier now. I have the whole middle carriage to myself. I don't know how they're gonna like fix it, but it's just crazy. All the lights are dead except random ones like that one and this one. Okay, this is gonna be really cool. I'm gonna be running express through. Still not going at a very high speed though, but that's alright. I'm gonna be getting off at Clarkson, seeing what happened, if we can spot anything. Oh, see, that's a real speedy train. So the actual pattern was K pattern, express, except stopping at Whitfords as well. That's funny. New pattern. Edgewater coming up. I still can't get over the fact that I just literally spent 50 minutes on a bus just to go back to the same spot I came from or whatever. I do that regularly. It just feels wrong when it's from like my local area. Okay, and like my original plan was to film the new William Street bus stands, but now that's not gonna be happening. And here we go, Edgewater. I mean Wellington Street, sorry. Yep, express through there. Now the real interesting thing is express through Joondalup. That's like so weird. I think the smoky smell has gone away mostly. It's mainly over here between car 6 and 5 that there's a smell. You obviously can't smell on video. One of the disadvantages, you can see and hear what I see in here, but you can't smell anything on video. Oh, I wish we could go faster, especially here because 1:30 after Joondalup. Off we go. I left just at the right time to catch this, you know. If I would have left 10 minutes later from my house, I wouldn't have caught it. Okay, we're going off from the freeway now, and we will be going through Joondalup, and then through Cockburn as well. Now, imagine if this was a weekday. Oh yeah, you can see how dark it is again. Sadly, it's not a weekday, but if it was a weekday, because they're gonna have to send a replacement train out for this. If it was a weekday, they could have like all B series out on the lines, and then they'd have to send like an A series as the replacement, and we'd have an A series Joondalup line service. That would be amazing. I don't know which train will be replacing it though, but probably just a normal B series. Imagine the C. No. Anyway, Joondalup coming up. Here we go. Very dark. Oh, sorry for the blurriness. What? Why are we braking? Oh, because of the bend, but... Joondalup station. Oh no, it's blurry. No, because the window's dirty. Here we are. Why is it blurry? Stupid camera. Express. Oh yes, the darkness. Spooky. This seriously looks like a horror film when it's this dark. Look at that. You know, like scary videos on metro systems where it like breaks down. Wait, what was the set at the front? Ah yes, 64. But that one wasn't broken, it's just this guy at the back. One more station to go express through. Stop will be Clarkson, straight after Cockburn. Here we go around the bend and up the hill. Sorry for the blurriness, I know it's bad, but I'm not gonna turn stabilization off just for this. Now here's where the 130 section starts, so if it could go max speeds here. This train, you can't believe that this is 19 years old, like it just doesn't make sense. And then the A series is like, what, 31, the oldest ones. It's not really that much of a difference. And then the newest B series is like 4 years old, so it's so strange. You can barely tell the difference, but yeah, you can see they're showing their age now. So, you wonder how long it'll be out of service for. Just the day or the week or what? I don't know. Anyway. Yeah, I'm not an expert of what's happening with them. Now here's Cockburn, last station. We're going express through for the day. And then I'm gonna have a long journey back, unfortunately, but whatever. Okay, now it's just over to Clarkson, and then the train will be going into the depot. Then we'll send the replacement train out to Butler, probably with the same driver though. So it'll be quite late, yeah. Or they could just... No, actually I'm wondering, are they just gonna completely ignore it because it's already like 10 minutes late and take it off from the system today and just not have a replacement train? Or will they put it back, but then it's gonna be like 15 minutes late, so they might actually run express back to Perth. I don't know, I'll see. And we're now arriving into Clarkson station. And that was pretty fast. I mean, relatively. It still went at a slow speed, but it's crazy how you can go from the metropolitan city CBD to these bush areas on a train like this. It doesn't really work like that in other Australian cities, that you transition that quickly, you know? Because yeah, and they've got much more stops and a much longer city. Anyway, it's very quiet now. Probably have another announcement. How many announcements have we already had on this train? Like 8 or something. Also, today is actually first Sunday free travel, 6th of August. I saw so many people in the 389 trying to like get on without a smart rider, but no, you need to have a smart rider. But all of this that I'm doing now is completely free for me. That's very cool. Actually, I wonder if you tagged on and off at the same station after 15 minutes, would you get a default fare even though it's meant to be free, like it is normal rules? Or like if you had no balance on your smart rider, would you still be able to tag on since you don't have to pay? All these questions you gotta ask. And before, the driver on the bus was actually radioing the depot to learn more about the people paying cash fares having to pay, because he wasn't sure about it. Anyway, that's a story for a different time. Yeah, Clarkson. Now it's gonna go straight back to the depot. Arriving. That was very fast, Whitfords to Clarkson. There was no like normal announcements though. Like last time there was Express, the Whitfords announcement still played. It didn't happen this time. Very quiet arrival in to Clarkson.
This train terminates at this
here we go.
station. All passengers, please alight.
Yep, that's true. And here we are now terminating. I'm gonna see the outside of the train. Announcement. Nope, it doesn't work. The electrical system. And here we go. The Butler train is 6 minutes behind. This train is now terminating. Set 49. Can't really see what happened. This is Clarkson. And we have 64 on the front. Here are the two trains. The front's completely fine.
Clarkson passengers, your next service is leaving from platform 2.
Okay, it's gonna depart now. Over to Norah Gup Depot. Let's go. Here it goes. Bye. Broken train. Wonder when I'll see 49 next. Sorry, no train sounds. So this is where it was smoky, here. I don't know, I can't see anything. But there it goes. Here goes the next Butler train now, just came in. Completely fine. And the announcements said 86. The announcements are completely dead now. What's happening? It just announced Perth passengers like 20 times. Look again. Listen.
Platform 1. This service stops all stations to Perth.
And also Clarkson is this weird anomaly where it doesn't say how many minutes, it just says which platform, because it used to be a terminus, which is so bad. We can see again. Again. What the hell?
Stops at all stations to Perth.
That was like the 25th time in a row it said that. It's gonna keep saying it. It's gonna keep saying it. What the hell is this? Ridiculous. Oh, again. Bruh. What a stupid station. And after quite a long wait actually, I think we got the Perth Stadium service coming in. There was going to be a Perth service, which was probably the one that I was on. I'm going to go back. Obviously it didn't, so now it's just cancelled altogether. No train service for that. Very weird. So here's the stadium service. Why is there like a weird light on the side of the train? What's that? Yeah, this one's going to the stadium. What is that light? Oh no, it's just shining from the sun. Sorry, never mind. Stadium. That's pretty cool. I mean, it's obviously quite regular, but I actually haven't ridden it many times. 52 on the back. Yeah, I'm wondering if there'll be another train behind it or not. Probably not, to be honest. It was just cancelled. Oh, the next Butler's already here, so that was a whole like more than 15 minutes. Might just get on the stadium train then. Yeah, okay.
Attention passengers, next service to Perth will be a 3-car set. Next service to Perth will be a 3-car set.
Yes, it is a 3-car set. Here it is, 2 minutes and then 5 minutes already, because that is the replacement train. It is now running as a 3-car set, and then the next train is the normal one, 2 minutes behind it. So it's just slotted in between. Can't really run express because there's a stadium train right in front of it, so nothing's really gonna happen. But it's a 3-car replacement train, and another one 2 minutes straight after it. That's so funny. So I'm just gonna wait for it to come in now. I wonder. Nah, it's probably not 64. It's just a different 3-car train. Yep, here we go. The replacement train is already here, right behind this one. Wonder which set it will be now running instead of the broken one. Oh, it is 64. Oh. So that they did just go to the depot and then uncouple from 49 and keep running in the front one, 64. Huh. That's cool. Yep, here it is. Okay, just get back to Perth where this sort of started, and look at that, 1 minute, 3 minutes, LS, but Express Elizabeth Quay to Cockburn, because this is the 12:23 service and it's 12:36, so we're 13 minutes late. So it's gonna catch up again by doing more Express to Cockburn this time. Okay, our Elizabeth Quay. Now it'll be like a sea pattern sort of, but then like skipping Canning Bridge, but then Bull Creek and Murdoch as well.
Elizabeth Quay.
Just reminding you that this train is express to Cockburn and then all straight to Mandurah. Thank you.
Train on platform 2 is stopping at... It's only an express to Cockburn Central, then stopping on stop to Mandurah.
Let's go.
Next station, Canning Bridge.
Nope, it's Cockburn Central. How much time this is really gonna save. It's just skipping 3 stops and it's 13 minutes late. It's gonna have to do a quick turnaround at Mandurah in order to get back on time later, but it's gonna have to stop all stops back because it's a stadium event. But yeah, oh yeah, here's where South Perth is, like the gap in the middle of the tracks for a future station. Yeah, because peak hour services used to skip Canning Bridge on the Mandurah line until January 2016, and on Joondalup it was Leaderville and Glendalough. But like seriously, just one station. That was so weird. Honestly, should skip Warnbro and Lakelands as well later. It's not gonna do that. So yeah, line. We might save like 3 minutes with this. Maybe not even that. It'll still be 10 minutes late. There's probably some confused people who want to get off at the intermediate stops. Lovely Swan River views here. I've never actually filmed on the Mandurah Line, like on the channel out of the window here, so you can see what it looks like. Yeah, I mean, obviously most of you have already ridden on it here, obviously, but if there's any foreigners watching. Anyway, I'm just saying weird stuff now. The train's very full, so I don't want to do too much commentary. Okay, here we go, Canning Bridge Express, back to like 2016 when they used to do this. But there were never any patterns skipping Bull Creek and Murdoch, so... There was a once-a-day Quay pattern which still exists now, terminating at Rockingham, but it actually skipped Quinana and Wellard. That was pretty weird, but it doesn't anymore either. So those are the only 3 stations ever skipped in regular schedule on the Mandurah Line: Canning Bridge, Quinana and Wellard. Actually, there were probably, like, what was it, Domain Stadium in West Leaderville still existed. They had like express Mandurah Line services from there. There's probably some special patterns, but I don't know about them. Okay, about to cross the Canning River now on Mount Henry Bridge. And then after that is Bull Creek. And then now we'll see how close Bull Creek and Murdoch really are. They're the closest stations on the Mandurah Line if you're not counting the city ones. And yeah, it's pretty weird. It takes like 2 minutes regularly, but going through its speed, it'll be like 1. We'll see exactly how many seconds. Here's Mount Henry Bridge. And we're still going 130 or whatever it is, 120 here, 120. And now we're gonna go straight through Bull Creek at this speed. Imagine being on the platform and seeing this train coming through this fast. Yeah, we got to Bull Creek in 7 minutes. That's pretty good. Here we go, Bull Creek. And now we're gonna count how long it takes to get to Murdoch. Zoom, 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 zoom. Look at that speed. Oh my god. And start counting. 1, 2, 3. I'll tell you later how much it is. Okay, it's been 30 seconds. we're approaching Fiona Stanley. Yeah, it's gonna be just a minute. 1 minute to get between Bull Creek and Murdoch. That's so cool. Even less. It's 55, 56, 57 seconds. Murdoch. In 57 seconds we got through from Bull Creek to Murdoch, and in exactly 1 minute we got from the end of each platform. Wow, that's so fast. Okay, that's already all the express now. We're going to be stopping at Cockburn, and then it should be all stops to Mandurah. It'll have a quick turnaround at Mandurah. It might do an express back, but I'm not staying on it for all that way. That's going to waste another 2 hours of my time, so I'm just going to get off now. Finally, I've ridden this from Joondalup to Cockburn now, not Clarkson, because I actually got on the stadium train, then I was like, oh, actually, no, it might run express, so I got off, and it was true. The 3-car set, which was towing at the front before, 64. Another train on that side. What was that? They were so close to each other. More delays. Like we just saw one like 2 minutes ago. If you skip back in the video, damn, that was weird. Now here's the quad track, Thorny Cockburn link. I haven't given you an update on this for a while, but here it goes. Here's the tunnel right there. You can see it's all flat. Then it comes up, and they have quadrupled the track in the middle here, all the way from the tunnel to Cockburn, which looks so weird. 4 tracks in the middle of a freeway. This is the only bit where it's like that. See there? Starting from here. So weird. For the Thorny Cockburn link, opening in 2025. Originally it was going to be 2021. Like, what the hell? 4 years delay. And yeah, we just did all the way Elizabeth Quay to Cockburn non-stop, and it just passed 10 minutes. Well, 11, because 11 since we left Elizabeth Quay. I don't know, how long does it normally take? Like 15. So we may have saved like 4 minutes. And now we're slowing down for Cockburn Central. Will it say this is Canning Bridge when we stop? I don't know, it might actually. There's oh no, it works. There's Cockburn Central Platform 3. I'm all ready. And here we are. There's quite a lot of people getting off. Maybe they didn't know about the express. 5 minutes already for the next train yet again. Yeah, it's going all stops the rest of the way, so I'm not going to stay on it.
This is Cockburn Central. Please mind the gap.
There we go, and then 6 minutes behind. Before it was 3, so yeah, we saved like 3 to 4 minutes. Let's see the front of this train, which was towing it before, a 3-car. Off it goes. Now the video got like double the length, but yep, that's really the end now. 5 minutes for the next Mandurah train. Whoop, sorry. Just like we were watching in the Clarkson before, we now watch it at Cockburn Central. Now it's quite a journey. Pretty weird how you can get from Clarkson to Cockburn. That felt so much faster than it wasn't even any faster, but it just felt like it was so fast from so far north to down south like this. Yep, that's the end of the video. Bye!